Okay, you may have heard this one before. It's called 11 Curses for My Ex, and it goes like this. May you have your house swallowed up by the sea as global warming melts the ice caps. May you be electrocuted by a defective smoothie maker. May you tumble down the steps of the no sign bar and be trampled under the stilettos of the wild women of Wine Street. May you be struck by lightning just as you're about to take the first sip of the first pina colada of the weekend. May you fall in love with a con man who told you he was a hedge fund manager, but then completely cleaned out your savings and investments. May you be hit by a Zanussi fridge freezer falling from the storage decks of a passing cargo jet. May you be trampled to death by a herd of Frisians, spooked into a stampede by a backfiring Bugatti Veyron. May you contract something nasty from the same con man who told you he was a hedge fund manager. May you contract hydrophobia from a herd of rabid badgers. May you be offed by a hitman who thought you were somebody else entirely. And finally, may you be abducted by aliens from a distant galaxy who needed an apparently human specimen for the intergalactic zoo, and may you be taken as far away as possible, and when I say far, I mean millions, billions, trillions of light years away.